back in hometown.
Shout out to Eddie B, bringing the Cleveland love back with Infamous Mob Entertainment. We in there.
We doing it up.
We here.
All right, cool. So I'm gonna give you a minute to get your bar game together, or we can pause after the little interview and do it that way. Which way you want to do it?
You can do something after the interview, you know what I mean?
All right, cool. Because if you ain't rapping, I ain't doing the interview, so you better have the bars ready. You ready? Even it don't matter, man. It could be something, you know what I mean? It don't gotta be no freestyle or nothing. It could be a verse you got ready.
All right, that's cool. That ain't cracking.
Cool. You from EC? Where you from?
No, I'm from St. Clair.
Okay, St. Clair. All right. You got any projects you want me to mention in the interview?
Oh man, you can mention the new print coming out, or you can mention the Peter Gripson mixtape.
I'm gonna let you do all of that. You sound like you're ready to go. All right, cool. You ready?
Yeah.
Coming down in 3, 2, 1. Hot 973 blazing hip hop and R&B and Ricky Smiley in the morning. It's your man Big Eddie Bauer. It's Gimme My Shine Radio, and right now we doing it for the O and live in studio representing Cleveland, St. Clair to be exact. I got the homie LC the Ghostwriter in the building. What up, Brad?
What's going on? What's poppin'?
Oh man, laying low and staying low. First off, welcome to the Glass City. What's up with you?
Oh man, it's lovely out here, man. But I'm feeling real good. The weather could be a little bit better, but hey, we gonna make it do what it do.
You already know. You from the land. You used to all this snow. It's nothing.
Yeah, we just went through it. We just had the ice storm.
No doubt. Well, yeah, we know you got a lot of things going on. You know what I'm saying? Representing the 216. Why don't you speak about some of the projects you got popping right now?
Oh man, getting ready to drop in a couple weeks. This Peter Gripson mixtape and the new print getting ready to hit y'all, man. That's gonna be the live album, man. T-Slugs on that boy, got my boy Heat on there, got your boy Meech, PT, couple other people on there. I don't want to throw too much out, you know what I'm saying? Just throw a little taste.
Okay, that's what it is. So let's speak on your name, man. LC the Ghostwriter. Do that imply that you ghostwriting for some other MCs too?
Ah, man, you never know. You never know. But no, you know what I'm saying? I did want that one touch for a couple people, but you know, that ain't necessarily for that, you know what I'm saying? I come in the studio and I'm out, goes right.
Yes, sir. I dig it, man. It's definitely a lot going on. We got LC in the building. So, I got another question for you. It's definitely a lot of heavy hitters in the Cleveland hip-hop scene. What are you doing right now that's going to separate you from the rest of the pack and put you at the top of the pack, matter of fact?
I'm doing me. My swag is just on 110, like, and that ain't 1,000, that's trillion. You know what I'm saying? That is real high. So I'm just doing me, you know what I'm saying? That's what separate me. You know, can't do what everybody else do.
Yeah, no doubt, no doubt. So now, the name of this show is Gimme My Shine Radio. So every MC that stepped through the door, you know what I'm saying, I expect them to spit some bars. You ready to go?
I mean, let's get it in. I got something for you.
That's what it is. I'm going to shut my mouth and let the homie LC the Ghostwriter get down. It's Gimme My Shine Radio. Let's go in, homie.
Hey, yo. And you could call me Joe Pesci because your boy's a good fella. Your homie's about to make it rain. I hope you got your umbrella. See the money steady spinning like helicopter propellers. A cold breeze is about to come. I hope you got on your sweater. Pop study Islam, so I got Arab money. Wake up with these white chicks and call them my snow bunny. While you niggas swag surfing, my niggas drag racing. Then a car that took the red pill fresh off the Matrix. A bad chick up in the basement at the pad doing tricks. Handspring somersaults, car wheels and flips. She put her hand up on her hip, so when she dips, I dip. I turn into R. Kelly, so when I dip, I piss. I got all this stupid money from illiterate flow, so Peter Griffin and Homer Simpson gets unlimited dough. The contracts are phone service, it books unlimited shows. The plus side, the shit comes with it, limited hoes. While y'all niggas out there talking like y'all can't get touched, there ain't a train that can wreck and crash harder than us. If you pissed off and you mad, well nigga go ahead. I bet you I had that ass missing part of your head. I have you limping out the bar, pulling out glass from your leg. CLC's a straight Looney Tune, so send me the sound. So if it's 21 Jump Street and anyone jumps, then it's back at a Humvee and pulling out the pump. Chumps.
LC the Ghostwriter, put it down. Give me my shine radio. Representing the land, St. Clair to the fullest. You got any last minute shouts out, bro?
Oh man, shout out my big bro T-Slugs, man, riding with me all the way from the A. Shout out the whole IME squad back home in Cleveland, and shout out to my Cleveland Cavaliers doing it right now. Let's beat Houston.
Go Cavs! You know what it is. Definitely got to send big shouts out to the homie Big Hef doing it way major with the industry tour. It's Give Me My Shine Radio. Big Eddie Bauer, Hot 97.3.